Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Wazirx website. To log into your Wazirx account using the Wazirx website is super easy. Launch open a web browser of your choice first. After you open up a web browser, go to the URL box at the top and type in wazirx.com and search. You will then end up in the official website for Wazirx. Go ahead and click on the login button at the top right hand corner, and in the login page, go ahead and log into your existing account by entering your email and password associated with your account. Type in your email in the first tab and then enter your password on the next. If you don't remember your password, click the Forgot Password link and follow through the instructions. If you've previously signed up with your Google account or your Apple account, you can choose the same method here to log in as well. Tap on either Continue with Google or Apple and follow through the instructions. If you've previously logged in with your email and password, you need to type in your password and email in the text box and click Login to get access to your Wazirx account. So that is how you easily get access by logging into your Wazirx account in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.